Yo, yo, yo. What's up, y'all? It's your boy RJ, aka Raymond. Listen, I wanted to let y'all know, man, I am on the hunt for another Camaro. It's official. Obviously, you just saw the video that I dropped yesterday. That Camaro is gone. Bye-bye. So I am on the hunt for another 2SS. So I plan on taking y'all with me on my journey. So definitely stay tuned with that, because I will say that No Name 2SS really showed me how much I really am a freaking fanboy for Camaros. Like, and what's crazy is I had never owned one before, so it was a new experience for me, a new dynamic of drive, because I'm used to Mustangs. I've had Mustangs before. I've always been intrigued with the Mustang. I love the history of the Mustang. My daddy had Mustangs, and so it was a natural love, right? The Mustangs. My uncle, though, was into Chevrolet, but my uncle and I, growing up, my Uncle Mike, I think he had a Camaro, honestly. But I don't think I think it always sat beside the house, but something was wrong with it or something like that. But anyway, so the Ford Mustangs were always like comfortable for me. I knew them. I had one. I was able to do some mods on it. Every car I've had, I've always modded it. I mean, that's just something that I like to do. But with having the No Name S2SS that I just got rid of, it really, like I said, it affirmed to me that I do enjoy the way the Camaros drive. I enjoy the experience in the Camaro, and Chevrolet did a great job with the tech in that car. Like, me being a millennial, I felt like I had everything I needed. Like, everything was comfortable, you know. I love the flat bottom steering wheel. I love the infotainment system. I love the lighting in the 2SS when you can change the lights. My daughter was very comfortable riding in it, and she was actually able to ride in the front seat. And you know, it was a very, very, very good like experience in the last, well, how many days I had it? I think I had it for like 4 days. So not a whole lot of time, but the little time that I had it, I enjoyed it. And it confirmed to me that I'm going to be getting another one. But anyway, that brings up another question. So I got something I want y'all to chime in on the 2SS, or the next Camaro that I get. I gotta have a 2SS. Like I said in the video yesterday, I gotta have a 2SS. If I don't have a 2SS, I ain't buying it. Like, I don't believe in the 1SS. Well, let me not say I don't believe in it. I am accustomed to a certain way of life. I work my ass off. Anybody who knows me knows I work every damn day. I'm dedicated to what I do, and I deserve to have what the hell I want to have. And I want leather seats. Like, I want them. I don't want cloth seats. I want vented and heated seats. I want blind spot monitoring. I want a sunroof. And so, yeah, but the car that I got my eye on is a yellow Camaro. Now, I had a yellow, I rented a yellow Corvette over in Dallas, Texas. I went to Dallas, Texas last year, and I rented a yellow Stingray. Now, that thing was nice. It was yellow and black. And I like yellow and black together. But I'm afraid that on an everyday car, the yellow may be just too much. My wife says, man, you know, you rent yellow. You know, yellow is a nice car to have like when you're on vacation and stuff. You want to be flashy, you want to be showy. But every day. And so that kind of is like in my head a little bit. And then I'm thinking about the aspect of the cops, you know, because yellow is almost like red's stepbrother. Like, you know what I mean? Like, they're one and the same. to have a yellow car and a red car is kind of like one and the same, in my opinion, because they stick out. So tell me in the comments what y'all think. Would y'all go buy a yellow Camaro, or would you choose another color? Obviously, I like the black, but here's the thing. I was gonna wrap my black Camaro anyway. I was gonna wrap it. I'm not gonna tell you what color because that's some mods I'm still gonna do. But I was gonna wrap it, not right away, but I was gonna wrap it. But the yellow one that I have, I mean that I'm looking at, has a black wrap on the hood already. So, and then it has the black side skirts. It has the black front splitter. It has, I think, a yellow spoiler though. But I mean, you know, you can accent it. You can accent the yellow pretty well. It already has the black wheels. You can throw some yellow calipers on that. Yeah. And or you can kill the game. You can kill the game. You can go Ronald McDonald on the ass. Say what? And throw some red calipers on them. You know what I'm saying? Already got the red SS badging. You know what I mean? So I think yellow would be like that color that's just like flashy. And sometimes I do like to be flashy. Sometimes I like to be seen. You know what I mean? Other times I like to be low key. So, but I do have a black G80, a Genesis. So when I don't want to be flashy, just hop in the Genesis and scoot on across town. Speaking of the Genesis, let's talk about that. The Genesis G80 is a wonderful car. I love my Genesis, and it's actually on a trip right now with Turo. But I'm thinking about getting rid of the Genesis, guys. I really am. The Genesis is financed. The Camaro will be financed, so there'll be 2 cars financed. And I've never really had 2 financed cars. I've always had a financed car and a paid for car, right? That's how I've always rolled. So many of you guys that are subscribers to the channel here, you've probably seen Goliath once before. Goliath was my 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Oscar Mike edition. I traded it in for the Genesis, and the reason I traded that truck in is because I started to have coolant issues. It started to have issues with coolant without running. You know, it wanted to start running hot. So I don't know if it had a cracked head. Only had 107,000 miles. Could have been a water pump. It could have been. I mean, I changed the thermostat. Didn't get any resolve. So I got rid of that car. I got rid of the truck. But I'm thinking what would be mad cool. What would be real mad cool is to have Goliath 2.0 and then the Camaro. That would be nice. So I'm thinking about selling the Genesis, taking the Genesis down to the car lot, putting it on the lot for a month and see if I can sell it on the lot. It's financed, so I have to, you know, I gotta sell it for at least the principal balance, clear that check, minimum, clear that check, pay off the car, get the title, sell it to my dealership, sell it to, you know what I mean? That's some stuff I can do with being a dealer. So I'm really considering that. I'm really considering that because we already have a finance company, and then somebody else can bring their own finance company down. I mean, they can do their own finance, and third party will accept credit union checks. So I'm really considering that, and then maybe going back with the Genesis. I mean, with the Wrangler. But I feel like if I do that too soon, it's probably not going to be that soon. It's probably not going to be that soon because if I do it too soon, then I'm going to be trying to mod 2 cars at the same time, and ain't nobody got time for that. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, man, nah, bro. We ain't doing 2 mods at the same time. But what I may do is get the Camaro, go ahead and mod it to where it's nicely drivable, nicely comfortable. You know, the exhaust, the wrap, you know, the aesthetics, the exhaust, the power, you know, CIAs and all that. a CAI, cold air intake, nice exhaust, nice aesthetics, do some accents, make it, you know what I mean, make it me. Do that, get that all finished up, and then get up out of the Genesis, and get back into the Wrangler. I enjoy having my Wrangler, but I had it for 3 years, so it was, it kind of got old. You know what I mean? It got played out a little bit. But here's the thing about it getting old. It got old to me, but it didn't get old to everybody else. Everybody, including even my family members, love that truck. Like it had memories. Like my cousin daughter was in like the parades, homecoming parades and stuff. So literally we took the top off the Jeep. She decorated the Jeep. She had the Jeep going through the parade. You know what I mean? Like it was a truck that everybody enjoyed. I remember having my little cousins in the back with my daughter, and like literally had all of the doors off, and we would just hop in the truck and just ride. They enjoyed it. It was an experience that was like no other. A Jeep Wrangler is really an experience. It's not just a vehicle. It's not just a truck. But yeah, I'm thinking about maybe going back that way. I think that would be mad cool to have Camaro and the Jeep. I think that would be like a nice balance, because I could do certain things with the Jeep that obviously you can't do with a Camaro. Either it's gonna be a Jeep Wrangler, or I may do a lifted truck. I may try to actually do a lifted truck. I had a 250 F250, and that just turned out to be just a nightmare. Like, that was just a nightmare. So what I'll probably do is a nice double cab. Was it double cab? How is it? Quad cab? Crew cab. That's it. I don't sell trucks at my car lot, guys. I don't. So I don't. But crew cab, F-150, jack it up nice, and have that to be, the second option. And so I have a pickup and the Camaro. That's the best of both worlds. My wife has the Benz and the Rogue. I don't know how long we're gonna keep this Rogue. We may be get ready to get out of this Rogue as well. We may get out of the Rogue before I get out of mine. I don't know. But we'll see. It's always just, it is what it is. Hey man, I appreciate y'all just listening to me chat. This is Car Talks with Raymond. Car Talks with RJ. That's what we're gonna call this section. Car Talks with RJ. RJ is my nickname, guys. I didn't just make that up for YouTube. I typically don't go by my nickname on YouTube. I probably will start. I don't know. But RJ is my nickname. Yeah. So Car Talks with RJ ends now. Like, share, subscribe, become a part of the Grind Reloaded family. The YouTube channel name may change soon. I don't know. I may rebrand it again. But I do like Grind Reloaded because we are always reloading the grind. So it just works. I just love it. But anyway, like, share, subscribe. Look out for the next Camaro. Hopefully I'll be bringing you guys along with me. I will be bringing you guys. Hopefully I will be bringing you guys along with me when I get the next Camaro, and maybe we'll be able to give the Camaro a name and not call it the No Name 2SS. But as of right now, No Name 2SS is going bye-bye, and we're gonna get out here and get another one. So until next time, guys, be safe, be well, and thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the comments. Drop a comment and let me know what you think about what my plans are with the maybe the Jeep Wrangler or a pickup. I can talk forever. I can just keep talking. So I'm just gonna end